Alright, we turned around. We are heading back to the hotel. I found a couple more tulips. Of course, tons of olives. Blues are still tied. There's people walking up behind us soon. I swear I picked that one up earlier. Another one. You coming, Robert? Oh, look at that one. Is that what you were pointing at? Oh, it's broken. But that's okay. I'm going to take it anyway. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh my god, is that a rock? Oh my god, I found a rock. I'm just teasing.
Oh, that's right, because of the lamp.
Ooh,
that moon is getting weird looking. Look at it. Eerie. It's like a pumpkin head.
It does. It looks like a pumpkin head. Look at that. So, I was talking to my sister earlier, and I had no idea next year is a leap year. I don't pay that much attention to that stuff, but interesting. So February we'll have 29 days. And that means Halloween is 2 days later than whatever. I mean, it's still the 31st, but... Ooh, look at that. My first piece of sea glass. It is actually frosted a little.
Ooh, look at that. That's a quite a chunk.
Don't find sea glass that much in Florida. Ooh, look at that. Is it still tied, honey?
Still tied. So weird. It's like
Trying to figure
it's
out.
10:30 here, and they're still playing hockey.
Is that better, or? I'm trying to find the perfect position for my headlamp so I can hold
I
it.
can't tell because it's different.
Technically it keeps sliding. So this headlamp is like, I gotta tighten it. Keeps sliding down. I think it's a rock. You're kicking rocks. Kicking rocks. Robert says we've only walked a mile, but it sure feels like more than a mile.
You know what they need to do is take this ocean where the Mississippi is.
That would be nice.
It would be a much better place.
Missouri would be a much better place if it was on the ocean.
I don't know. I'm just thinking.
It would be much more exciting.
I think I would. I don't want to put that in as a suggestion.
Then it wouldn't be. You're gonna put that in as a suggestion?
Yep. I just think it would be nicer.
It would be nicer. It's never gonna
It would be
happen.
nicer.
The weather is beautiful here right now.
It really is. This is perfect.
I'm wearing long sleeves and it's perfect.
I don't like it in summer though, man.
I find it very hot.
Roasting. Oh, just turn it over already, you lazy.
You lazy bum.
Look at a claw.
I know, it's a crab claw. No more crabs tonight. They're not alive. We've been trips where like the ghost crabs are scurrying around. That's actually very interesting. Not tonight. What is that?
How did you find that out? Well, that's
Dead crabs tonight. Poor dead
the
crabs.
water is so murky.
Total murky.
I don't know if it's always been like that or if that's just...
We've been here sometimes when it's been clear.
Yeah. I used to be able to snorkel on Captiva and go with feet. So I guess there is.
Every trip is different.
It is.
I have not been snorkeling for a long time. I think the last time I snorkeled was Disney's Private Island. Right? Castaway Key?
Either that or
No, yeah, you're right. Where
SeaWorld
else?
thing. I don't know.
That's right. That's the last time. You're right. SeaWorld Discovery Cove. If you've never done Discovery Cove, you need to do it. It's awesome.
You get around it on the Disney Private Island now, so I don't know how that works.
Oh.
We used to go pretty far out.
You know what we haven't done in a while?
Had a good sandwich.
Discovery
barbecue
Cove.
What?
You're right. We have not had a good barbecue sandwich. But I was also thinking we have not done Discovery Cove for a while.
No, we haven't. But last time we went, it was packed.
It was packed.
And people were just, there were too many people. Did you pay that amount of money? And then you kind of don't want to be around
Tons of people. All right, look at that shell pile. Now we've already seen this, but coming back from a different view. Let's see. The back side of the shell pile. My shell bucket's heavy. Very, very heavy. I cannot get comfortable. All right, let's see if we see anything different. There's just so many big ones of these. I don't know. I think I'm going to keep one just because. Why not?
They made like 6 or something.
Look good on my shell garden. I keep meaning to, like, everyone keeps, like, asking for me to record my shell garden. And then I keep forgetting to because it is in Missouri. So it gets full of leaves a lot. I really have to maintain it. And I've been slacking a little. So I need to clean it up a little, and then I will do a video on my shell garden after I clean it up, because I gotta pick out all the leaves. Which I try to do that like just once a month, but I may have been slacking the last couple of months.
2 minutes of 5-on-3 in that second period and had plenty of chances. Just couldn't convert.
Are you wishing you were going to the All-Star game now, honey?
No,
No.
I have no interest.
We'll watch it from our TV.
Don't really care about anybody outside of St. Louis.
Sure.
I mean, it's great that they have skills, but unfortunately those skills are used against us teams. So I really don't need to watch that.
All right.
I would rather go to track games or actually be in town on a Stanley Cup final. No, that's actually a tough.
What? Oh. I thought you saw something.
As opposed to
Yeah.
St. Louis in that second period, which gives them a total of 28.
You were the people at. I've got plenty. Ooh, is that like a little... No. Thought I saw something.
be where the people are?
I definitely do not want to be where the people are.
Moon.
I'm a little antisocial. Oh my god, it is. You guys, I don't know. My headlamps. There we go. There we go. See that red, the red scary thing in the sky? That is the moon. And that is scary sandbar. I will go into the sandbar during the day, not at night. Because I've seen Jaws. I know what happens. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, Robert. I shined ya.
I heard my name.
I was talking about you.
What did you say?
Nothing. I said, sorry, I shined you. But you were looking at. I love this headlamp. My husband bought this headlamp for me for Valentine's Day. I think he bought it for my last trip. But see, the thing in Sanibel is you cannot go night shelling all year round. You can't go night shelling from May until October because it's turtle nesting season, and so they really discourage flashlights on at night. What are you saying oh my god about? Do not say oh my god
I thought
when
I
we
saw,
are walking a
I
freaking
swear to God,
beach.
the shadow I thought was a huge crab.
You just just gave me a heart attack.
I thought it was.
You just gave me a heart attack. I'm talking about
What
Jaws.
the heck was the name of that movie where they killed the people there?
I don't know. Don't know that one. Anyway, what was I saying? So, turtle nesting season, you have to put like these red filters on your lights, and then you can't really see anything through these red filters. And we put a red filter on my headlamp, and oh my god, like they're all like, jeez Louise, they're all three like glued together.
That's a weird.
Is it alive?
I don't know. That's like the nuclear fusion.
Well, don't stink. I'm intrigued. I'm taking that one. I don't know. You're special.
How is this
Anyway,
possible?
I'm not done with my story.
Look at that. I didn't have the hearts. Now I've got them. And I've got 2 bonuses.
It's possible to get 2 bonuses in one day. I didn't know that.
There you go.
So anyway, turtle nesting season.
Anyway, you're.
You keep interrupting my turtle nesting season
I know,
story.
but your thing was on fire.
Okay, anyway, yeah, that's the point. So I put the red filter on this headlamp, and it melted.
It smoked.
It smoked and it melted. So I could not use my headlamp. Our last time we were here was June. And so that's why there might be twice as many shelling videos at night, because I'm quite excited.
There's the claw.
There's the crab claw. Deja vu, we've been here. Alright, so I'm not going to do any more videos since we're backtracking unless we come across something awesome.
What's that?
It's you trying to scare me is what that is.
No, what is it? What?
What are we talking about?
That big brown shape that's moving in the water. You don't see that?
No, I didn't. Now you're just trying to freak me out. And this is why I'm not getting in the sand.
My light not working.
Why are you like taking 20 steps away from me? It's like
I
you're
don't
like,
know.
it can have her.
It's a land shark. You can be the sacrifice for the night.
Oh my god, thank
Look
you.
at that moon. It's still doing its thing.
And then the moon is still doing its thing. I'm not getting in that water.
Go see
At
that
night.
shell.
No. There's like, stingrays